So as you can see, there is now a visible structure that is crossing the Dungon Creek going to the other side, which leads to the other part of the Dungon Creek Esplanade. So we have one motorist passing by already. So I think I could try to pass by this area and show you the connection from the Cubics part, or in the Gaisano part of the this bridge, and then going to the Magsaysay area. Okay guys, so it is now confirmed that the Dungon Creek Bridge connects to this part of the Dungon Creek Esplanade, which is right now I'm here at the other end, which is the Magsaysay area. So this is part of the Barangay Magsaysay area, which leads to the Habitasan highway or the road, and then on to my right, this goes back to the near going out near the Iloilo Sports Complex. So it will only take about maybe a few more months until the bridge is complete, and then all of the cement would be laid out after they did the road pavements. So maybe at least 6 months more, and then you could finally see the concrete areas of the Dungon Bridge and going to Magsaysay area, which is on this part. So we'll do some future updates in the future. Thank you for watching, guys.